It's 12th July 2023 and it's around 10 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see here, we have booked almost 25,800 rupees in the first 45 minutes of the market. And I have booked 11 points with 2,700 quantities because I wanted to go out today and I'm done for the day. So this is how our order panel looks like. Yeah, this is how this is how our orders look like. So yeah, if you want to get an idea on how I have executed the trade, and it's a pure price action trade, so if you want to understand how the trade was taken, jump right into the video to understand how price action trades work. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And also I'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes only. So yeah, jump right into the video. Good morning, this is 12th July 2023, and as you can see here, it's 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Banknifty has opened in a gap up and it has terribly fallen down by almost 200 points in the first 15 minutes, or sorry, 10 minutes. From 44,890, it has come down to 44,683, which is almost 200 points fall in the initial 10 minutes. So now the major movement for the first hour has happened, and now we'll have to be very careful when we get into any of the trades because the market can swing to any of the sides. So right now there are two chances that we can look into. One is a bounce back from this level or a pullback towards 44,784 and a fall towards the lower side, or else this can recover, and if the day high is broken, then we can see it moving up towards 45,000 or 45,030. So these are the two conditions that we have, and this is actually a good support zone for Bank Nifty. So we'll have to be careful before entering into any of the positions. Looking at the OI, we can see that there is good put OI build up at, sorry, call OI build up at 44,700, and looking at the last 5 minutes, call has been building in 44,700, which means there are chances that this can go down. I mean, Bank Nifty can go down. So we'll wait for this candle to close, and if the next candle is not opening above that, or if it's not going above this range or above 800, then we can expect a fall towards the lower side. So that is what I am expecting now. Yep. So we have 45,000 CE in consideration of 20th July expiry, and we have 44,700 PE of 20th July expiry. So these are the two things that we are looking into. I think this is going to come down from this level because there is good call OI build up at 800. Yep, there has been put unwinding in 44,900, which means there are chances that this can come down. So let's just wait for some time so that we'll get a good confirmation and before getting into any of the trades. So yeah, 44,700, we'll have a watch on 44,700. Yes, so there are chances that this can be bullish from this level because the bear which has come here is not sustained. So on breaking above this or 44,800, we can see further bullishness to 44,880. Yes, so the first level is broken. Now we have 44,800 to be broken. Yes, okay, right. So it is certain that Bank Nifty is not going to hit 45,000 today looking at the OI, but the game can change anytime. I think 44,700 is the right strike that we should keep for today. On getting confirmation, we'll go for a buy at 44,700 PE of 20th July with 1,800 quantities is what I'm looking at. Looking at OI and structure, I am convinced that market is going to go up from this level. But the best confirmation is when the day's high is broken. So we shall go for a buy in 900 quantities of 45,000 CE. Let me just look into the depth. Okay, cool. Yep, we'll go for 900 quantities. Yeah. So my buy price was around 252, but we are not getting it back is what I believe. Okay, we'll go for a buy at 900 quantities. Okay, we'll see if this gets triggered or not. Yeah, this will come down to take our buy price. Yep. This is how our PNL looks like. I'm not that convinced with the trade, but we'll see how it goes after averaging. I'm going to add another 900 quantities to this. Okay, let me look into the OI. OI seems good to me. Yep. Yes, this looks good for me. I will. Um let's just wait for some time so that we'll have an idea on how market is going to be in the next 5 minutes. Okay, I'm averaging another 900 quantities. So 257 and 259 is our buy price. The average is 258.82. Um, we will see what is going to happen, and we'll uh, wait for the results. And also, we'll look into a very nominal target today because I'm going out in a while. So, yeah. Yep, so market is kind of bullish. So if the day's high is broken, then we can expect a very high target. But for now, our PNL has gone up to almost plus 16,000, 17,000 rupees. And I have not booked my profits there because I'm certain that this is going to go up. But 44,883 is one of the areas where market has acted a bit cranky. So we'll have to be careful about it. I'm going to add another 900 quantities to the trade. Yeah, because I'm not blindly doing it, because in the last few videos I have got so much criticism on that. Yeah, looking at OI only, I'm doing this. So I'm adding another 900 quantities. So we have 2700 quantities in total. 257, 259, 257, 257. So our average is 258.43. If we look for a very nominal profit, and we'll get out of the trade today because I am going out in a while. So yeah, okay, let's fix a target by now. We'll put our target as 268. Okay, we'll exit all three at 268 if it goes up till there, or else we'll modify our targets later. One more, we'll have it at 268. We'll modify our targets accordingly. So we have our orders triggered around these levels. Yep. So we'll wait for 268 and we'll be done for the day. Yeah, so market is struggling to go above 44,883. Let's see. So this is our order panel. So I'm going to pause this video for a while.